This video is showing you how you can use your portal to view listings and help you maintain your searches, the ones you like. So once I created a search for you, I will send you an email with a link for the portal. You have an email already entered, and all you have to do is create a password. You can then use the same email and password to upload the mobile app, FLEX MLS, and you log in the same email and password, and you can also access the same features on your phone. Kind of cool. So once you access it over here, this is the search that I had created just for this example, 30A West under 500K, and I included all listings, rentals, lots, and homes. So you see everything listed on here. You can you view them by most recent, or you can also view them by highest to lowest, lowest to highest, area, or bedrooms. So let's take a quick look at this feed. There's a star here, and that is important. If you like a specific listing, you can save the listing. And then if you click under the saved listing, all your saved listing will come up. And this will help you every time you log in. You can quickly see if anything went pending or sold, or if those listings that you like are still available. You can also hide a listing, and all you do is click on the circle, the hide listing. It's still here, you're still available, but at least you can see it. So let's take a look quickly at a listing that maybe you want to explore a little bit more. So let's just click at this house. Over here, of course, you can scroll through the pictures. Over here is your map feature. You can zoom in or zoom out to see where the location is. And then if you go down the listing and you scroll down, you can find out your assessment fees, you can find out your taxes, you can find out all the information you need about that specific listing. The last feature I like is that next to each listing, there's 3 little icons. You can click on it. That's another way to save it. Instead of clicking the star directly or hide it, you can copy and share a link, but you can also contact me directly. You can type in a message. I will get an email notification, and I can directly see what your questions are. So if you have a question about a specific listing, then you can use this portal to quickly identify which listing you want more information about. I hope you like this feature and will use it. Let me know if you have any questions.